military program. It is, let's see, first week of April. Today's an exciting day. We've got a meeting with Blue Startups, which is in Honolulu, Hawaii. So pretty excited about that. Talking with them about ADHERE gear and a little bit more about what we're doing. They have a great accelerator program out there that we're looking to get into, and you know, ideally you would be like to take the family out there too during that time, and maybe even see just what's up in general. You know, maybe that's the place where home base ends up being for the corporation. Don't really know for sure because we haven't you know, picked a spot yet. Obviously Portland, Oregon is front running, but you know, there's a whole planet out there, so we kind of see what happens. We also have an interview in about 15 minutes with Hardware Club. Pretty excited about that too. They're in Paris, France. Gonna talk about ADHERE gear again and kind of see if we can get into that club. Seems like it'd be super useful. Get some great access to some resources and tools, and then if you're one of the lucky ones, you actually can get an investment too. So based on my calculations, there's still a good amount of funds left in their investment bank account, I guess you could say. So I think there's a lot of potential opportunity there. But yeah, this is kind of our get up for right now. You can see we got the ADHERE gear sign. That was for demo day. We also got our 3 monitors set up. This is what we got going on during coronavirus. We actually have the shop being worked on too, in terms of getting organized and situated and getting all the 3D printers and stuff in order. A few more runs to do in downtown Portland to get all that up and going, and then we'll be operating almost 3 spaces at once. Yeah, so it'd be kind of crazy. Working really hard to get V9 or V10, I should say. It's looking like we're gonna aim for the MVP. You know, like we're just gonna go all out towards that, or get as close as we can to. You know, we're thinking it's going to take to V12. Still don't know. It could very well still take the V12. But yeah, we're going to go for MVP though. I think that's the next logical step, and I think we have enough drive to get the remaining know-how to pull it off. So that's what we're going to go for. But yeah, so pretty excited about everything. Pretty happy with where things are at. You know, COVID-19 and the coronavirus seem to be affecting a lot of people in a lot of different ways. You know, fortunately, it's just I'm not one of them. Everything's going just fine for me and my family, which is great because we just went through a hurricane 2 years ago. So it's kind of a little bit of relief to not have to worry about fear or disappointment or any of those negative emotions. So right now it's an uphill climb, but it is an ascent. So we're pretty excited about all that. Everybody's doing pretty well, healthy, and we're just going to keep moving forward. So with that, ADHERE gear will give everyone an update later. ADHERE out.